Hey, it's UV here. Finally, we come to the final part of this episode from fastapi to generative AI. And I built a little GUI just to complete this episode with a user interface many audience asked. Now we have our business app, which contains some whatever data you want into that. In this case, we have Chinese cuisines. And now we can answer questions using a chatbot. So you can ask, what's the price of, you pick one, dim sum maybe. What's the price of Chinese dim sum? Have you ever been China? Chinese dim sum, it answers correctly. You can also answer like multiple entries. So for example, what are the price of dim sum? And mapo tofu maybe. Mapo tofu. So it should give you two prices if it's correct. Good. Then as we only have two columns here, you can also ask, can I eat hot pot in the store? So basically it's asking whether the hot pot is available, right? Then it should also translate the question and answer you correctly, right? So context doesn't provide if in the store, right? This is very interesting. Then you probably ask in a different way, is hot pot available in the store? This should answer questions, right? But this is really something about ARM. It's not something you can always improve that. Okay, so just give you an example that it should work in the most cases given the data. So now let's just quickly recap what we have done, right? Really modularized everything. So we built a business app just to mimic that you have a business application in real life. And then this is for the part 1. And for the part 2 and the part 3, we built our generative AI app, which it does nothing just to synchronize data from the business database to a vector database. And we use a tool called PGAI to do the work for us, part 2 and part 3. And in the part 4, we provide our API service so that in the part 5, our front end, whatever front end you will have, can directly call the API services. Okay, that's it. And so we wrap up the whole episode, and the purpose of this whole episode is really to give you a minimum setup so that you are a traditional company, right? You have all your database in SQL, and this minimum setup can help you to quickly start your whatever chatbot or lay the foundation for your generative application. If you like the video, please subscribe, and I will bring more content in the next ones. Bye bye.